Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about a newish plannerkate item, which are these monthly kits, and they are in the Erin Condren colorway. So I already have April down, and then I went ahead and picked up the 2 sheets for May, June, and July to finish out this planner. And then of course the new Erin Condren planners will launch in May, and they'll start in July, so I didn't need to purchase the rest of the months for this one quite yet. But I did pick up the 2 sheets for May, June, and July. And I wanted to talk to you guys about why I love this option so much. So I really do love the plannerkate kits, especially those that come with the matching dashboard kit. I love how those look. However, I'm already planning several months ahead, and so what I used to do was just use random plannerkate stickers. Then when my kit arrived, I would pull all of those up because they are removable and replace them with the kit stickers, but that seemed a little wasteful for me. A lot of people will just use Post-it notes. That's okay, I can handle that, but I would prefer to have my kits just here and ready so that if something comes up, I can go ahead and put that down. So I guess what I'm trying to say is I really like this option for long-term forward monthly planning if you want to use stickers to do that. So we have April, and then I'll stick down May and June and July, and I'll be set for this planner completely, and that makes me so happy. I do like these because let's just kind of look at the sheet. So you do get the headers, and then I don't put the numbers on the actual dates. If you are restarting this, you can order this like with a Monday start. It's a custom that you can add to your cart when you're checking out at plannerkate. If you'd rather have like a Monday start, you can add that customization, and you can do that. So a lot of people will do the Monday start and then of course use the number stickers to renumber because they're going to change, obviously. I don't do that. I like to use these date circles for my birthdays on the sidebar, and then I just don't do anything with the numbers on the actual calendar. A little bit about the holidays. So a long time ago, Erin Condren didn't have a ton of the holidays in here. Just some of your very basic ones, I would say. And so plannerkate has some of those on the kit sheet, but not all of them. So for July, all you're gonna get is this 4th of July sticker. So if you have other holidays that you wanna celebrate, like these two, they're not gonna come on this sheet, but you could write them in yourself on one of these labels. I'm also really liking the new 2021 kit font on those days, and you get a variety of those payday, bill dues, don't forget, and happy birthday stickers and day off that you can use on your calendar. Plenty of these appointment labels, that's probably what I use the most, and if you pick up the second sheet, you'll get even more of those skinny appointment labels. If you are into budgeting, these are perfect for adding your bills into your month view. Right there, you can just write, who the bill is to, the amount, and then check it off when you have it paid. So if you're interested in these, you can search, like for July would be July 1/14, and then if you're looking for June, it would be June 1/14 in the Etsy store. And then I have one more thing that I want to say about these. She is releasing these monthly kits, only instead of one solid color like for April for Erin Condren, it is the plannerkate rainbow. So if you really want to like let loose, I love Rainbow Week, so I thought that would be perfect for a month view too. You can purchase any of these, and I'll put a picture up here that Kate had posted for the kit release, but it's basically the same sort of design, only in a plannerkate rainbow, and then you could use all of the plannerkate stickers and it's going to go well because it's like a rainbow theme. So that's it. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. I'm really enjoying these, and they helped my forward planning already, so I couldn't wait to share that option with you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and happy planning.